Yes, hello, good morning everyone. June 8, 2024. So, good morning. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Sobrang ganda guys. Yung sunset guys, oh. Sunrise pala guys, sunrise. Hindi pala sunset. Sunrise. Sunrise is coming. Good morning. Ayan. Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching everyone. Amping mo permi guys. Amping sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong pagbiyahe. God bless us all. See you in the next video. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Don't skip ads na rin mga idol. Subscribe na rin kayo sa aking YouTube channel. Bye-bye. Love you all. Sweet.